Okay, okay, I'm starting.
You can start.
Yes, I'm very sorry. I should serve you and all of that, but I'm starting. Sorry.
Don't worry, I'll help myself because this food looks delicious.
I've had zero contribution in making it.
But do you like to cook?
I make a good spaghetti carbonara. This is also an Instagram recipe, by the way. I make a good like paneer bhurji, but with lots of malai and cream.
Yeah, this doesn't look like a regular paneer
It's looking
bhurji.
too watery today. हाथ से खाओ ना, ये क्या हो रहा है?
It नहीं आता मुझे हाथ से खाने.
मैं तो सब कुछ खा लेती हूँ हाथ से, मैगी नूडल्स भी.
This actually tastes good.